Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Ninette Solar Travels. Welcome back again. Another beautiful day in my farm, just taking care of the birds and cows. You can see we have livestock around, and we have our chicken around. Yeah, you can see them. Time for supper and time to feed them now. Oh wow, see the movement. This is how we do the preparation. Yeah, I want to feed them now. Wow. Just see how they behave like human beings. They see food. Wow. Na leo wako wengi. Hey, this is where we have trouble. Feeding time. Don't forget to disinfect before you get in. Hey. This is where we get the problem, guys. When it comes to feeding time, when it comes to feeding time, oops! Oh my God! Hey, bring more feeders, guys. Competition is high over here. Toka huko. Zile panga pale. Today we really have a very interesting discussion. If you really want to make money rearing chicken, come closer. What you need to do, how you need to do it. Yeah, feeding time, guys. If you want to learn how to make money rearing chicken, this is the right time. This is the right channel to follow, and always tune in. If you are viewing this video for the first time, consider subscribing and make sure you click that notification bell. Any upload, you're the first to watch. There we go. Our discussion today is very interesting. Sida zimeisha. Oh no, wengine wameingia hapa ndani. Wow, wenye wameingia ndani. Tomoko putting you on record, huh? So what are you supposed to consider when you want to make money rearing chicken, guys? There are a number of things or a number of factors that you have to consider if you want to make money with this poultry farming thing. You want to make money rearing your chicken. See what is happening here. It's feeding time. Weka maji huku katikati. Achia katungo cha moja, weka huku. We need to add more feeders, sindio? Bado naona ziko less, and they are really growing so fast. They are really growing so fast. So So guys, there are a number of factors you need to consider if you want to succeed in this type of poultry farming, that is chicken rearing. Ita. Waguru koro. Wengine washamaliza. Utaongeza kidogo. Utaongeza kidogo. Wengine washamaliza, fida zingine ziko empty hapa. Hey guys, they are really eating. They are really eating. Hey, investment. You have to spend. At this time, we are spending the whole time. Yeah. Let me just bring them this. Right here. So guys, we're gonna start our discussion just right away. If you want to make money in this poultry farming thing, what are the factors that you need to consider? Focus on raising high quality breed, guys. Focus on raising high quality breed of chicken. This one will really help you. Besides that, they are really distracting me. Besides that, focus on selling eggs, meat direct to the consumers or local market. By doing that, you'll really maximize your profit. The moment you are going to focus on your local customers, local market, you will really maximize your profits. You will minimize time wastage. Losing, like you use a lot in terms of fare or transporting your chicken to the consumers, that is, or transporting your eggs to consumers. Just make sure you focus on the local market. Money is there in the local market, and they are the best customers so far. They understand you, you understand them and their needs, right? So that one is an important factor that you have to consider. Make sure you give them direct to the consumer. Don't avoid brokers, guys. That is the main point. Make sure you meet them direct. Another thing, consider or focus or prioritize on proper nutrition. Proper nutrition and disease management. That is another factor, very important factor, guys. Prioritize proper nutrition and disease management. Just make sure they eat the quality feed. Just make sure hygiene wise, make sure the water they drink is so clean. The feeders are well cleaned before they start feeding in them. Make sure you choose the right breed. The right breed is very important. That will not give you problem. A breed that can survive in arid and semi-arid climate condition, or climate change is always there. So just make sure you consider that type of breed that can survive anywhere. A breed that is prone to diseases. They are really distracting me here, guys. I'm sorry for that. Focus on quality. Focus on quality always. Don't try to go for shortcut because you don't have enough money. No. Focus on quality. When it comes to feeding, focus on quality. Don't go for the cheap one. You want to cut costs, you will cut costs. You won't bring up or you won't raise healthy birds. So always consider focusing on quality. It's always very important. Direct marketing, guys. Direct marketing, that is what I was saying. Be careful. Make sure you are the one doing delivery to your consumers, because the moment you're gonna ignore that, you will get brokers. They will come into your farm, get a bird with even 500 shillings or 800 shillings, and the same person going to sell the same bird double price. How will you feel? You're gonna lose a lot. So just make sure you are careful about that. It is always very important. Yeah, always important. Make sure you do the direct marketing by yourself. Another point which is very important, guys, contract farming. Just make sure you consider partnering with large poultry companies. Yeah, consider partnering with the large poultry companies through contract farming agreements, where they provide chicks and technical support while you are raising your birds. You remember just the other day I brought in our supplier just to check on how our birds were doing and to give us the technical advice how we can do it better, areas where we need to improve. And I really learned a lot. Just the other day I informed, if you've been watching my videos, if not, you've not watched this, kindly make sure you watch this in my previous video, why you should always engage your supplier. That is, they will always help you with technical advice, and even if you need some training, they will always offer that. So make sure you do that partnering and agreement always. Don't feel shy to contact them. If at all you have any problem in your farm, feel free to contact them, because they are always there for you. They provide chicken, the small chicks, so they will tell you what you need to do better and how you need to do it. Improved kienyeji, guys. Improved kienyeji are the best. Why am I saying so? If you're targeting a local market that I talked about, local market is very important, because they are the people that knows you so well, that understand you, they are near you. Just make sure you focus on improved kienyeji. If you are targeting the local market, focus on raising improved kienyeji. The ones we are doing here, we are focusing on improved kienyeji. And again, focus on popular indigenous birds or breeds in Kenya. Those are the local birds. Those are the local birds. Because we want to deal with the locals, make sure you go for the local birds and the popular indigenous breeds of the type of birds that are around you. You can't start bringing like the turkey if you know your local market you won't make it, you won't make money out of that. So make sure you focus on your local improved kienyeji. That will really help you so much. Now they are drinking water after eating. After that, we've Another point that I'm leaving, guys, I'm forgetting about record keeping. If you want to make money from chicken rearing, make sure you do proper record keeping. Maintain detailed record of expenses, of income, and bad health, just to identify on areas for improvement. And that one also will help you maximize your profit always. Now, record keeping, guys, let us not ignore this. Let us not ignore this. So those are the points that if you want to make money rearing chicken, you have to consider. I've talked about focusing on raising the high quality breed, prioritize proper nutrition and disease management. It is a must. That one is a must. Choose the right type of breed. Make sure you focus on quality, not quantity. Quality first, then quantity will follow. Make sure you do direct marketing, guys. Contract farming. It is always important to do partnering with those large companies doing poultry farming. Another one that I was about to forget, guys. Always consider starting small, then you scale up. Always consider starting small, then you scale up. Why is this point important, guys? By starting small, you will gain that experience. You will know how to deal with your challenges while the number is still small. So by the time you will scale up, you will adjust, you will bring more birds, your farm will grow. Challenges, you will know how to deal with challenges now. You know how to go about them. You know how to do disease prevention. So it is always advisable to start small, then scale up if you want to succeed in this type of farming. And despite that, we have some factors that we have to consider, important factors to consider in this. Make sure you consider the land availability. Like this space, you can see I have enough space for all my birds. The space is so big, fenced, that no bird can go out. So this space is just enough for them. Make sure you consider land availability, market research. I've talked of market research. So those are the factors to consider again. And training and knowledge, guys. Training and knowledge. People are really eating here. Yeah, it is always important to get that knowledge. Poultry farming knowledge, guys. You can't just get it if you've not started. Knowledge comes with experience. Gain knowledge about proper chicken husbandry practice through training programs and agricultural extension services. That is very, very important. Make sure you contact the agricultural extension services that will provide. They will call you for seminars, for programs dealing with poultry farming. They will always help you marketing your birds. Yeah, how to control diseases in your farm, disease and infections in your farm. So just make sure you do that partnering I was talking about with these agricultural extension services. It's always very easy. It will help you know how to deal with your bird. Just in case you have an emergency in your phone, make sure you reach them ASAP. Make sure you reach them as soon as possible. So that one is very, very important again. So those are the factors, or the important factors to consider if you want to make money in this poultry farming, guys. I will encourage a beginner to do it. Just start it. It's not that difficult as you may think. Always start small and scale up. You will go far. So if you are viewing this video for the first time, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Lynette Solar Travels, a poultry farmer, passionate farmer. And I'm happy I started small, and by you people encouraging me always that you will go far. Yeah. We are doing adjustments after every 3 months, and soon we'll be receiving another new batch, newbies in the farm. So it is something that is moving the progress, the progress procedurally, step by step. Just want them to at least to gain some weight, to grow a little bit before I bring some newbies. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna end my video there. See you in our next video. If you don't mind, click that notification bell so that any upload, you are the first one to watch. Thank you so much for your love and support always.